Good morning. My name is Lalani, and I'm here at the Dalplex, which is the gym at Dalhousie University. I'm speaking with Adam Ross, a recent graduate of Dalhousie University. The Dalplex was a very important building to Adam during his student days at Dalhousie University because he was a varsity basketball player. As an alumni that can financially help, Adam wants to see a change. What is one major change that you want to see at Dalhousie University?
I think one major change would have to be the Dalplex.
And do you want it to be redone?
I think I'd like to see parts of it redone. I think it'd be financially impossible to redo the whole thing because it's so big. But yeah, I'd like to see some things improved for sure. I think they could do a lot.
Okay. There's talk among facility directors that a new Dalplex is going to be built. What are some improvements that you would like to see in the new Dalplex?
New Dalplex. I think they could do bigger team rooms because most teams I know don't have enough space to do what they need in a team room, and they have to share and do a lot of things like that. But I also think they could use their space better. I think there's a lot of sports they do, like badminton and the rock wall and things like that, that just have no connection to varsity sports. So I think you could almost do a whole new area or new building for varsity athletes, because the varsity gym, the gyms that they use for the different teams, you know, they're not as big and they don't have the equipment that we need all the time. So I think you could really segment it and have it for everyone else, like your everyday public user and your student user, and you could also have area that's just meant for varsity athletes.
And how did you feel about your game court that you were playing your games at? Do you think that it was sufficient? Do you think the stands were sufficient?
I like the game court because it created a good atmosphere. They had the two sides and they pulled out the bleachers on the other side and at the ends of both nets. But it would be nice to be able to practice all the time on your game court, you know, because there's so many different sports going on there, the volleyball, different types of things. So it would be nice if it was almost always set up for the basketball players, or the volleyball teams always had their court that they could get used to and practice on all the time.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.